Hello, my name is Andrew Meadows and I'm the building construction instructor here at LBW Community College. I've been in the construction industry for 17 years, both in the labor force and as a project manager. I'm excited to bring the skills that I learned to LBW to teach students skills and workforce. We'll be located at the Luverne Center. The program will offer two different paths. There will be the short certificate and the Associates of Applied Science. The short certificate will be 2 semesters, while the Applied Sciences will be a little bit more in-depth, and it will be a 5-semester program. The program is dual enrollment eligible. Our state-of-the-art facility at the Luverne campus has the newest as well as a wide variety of tools and equipment that is industry standard that students will be working with. Once they enter the job market, we will be teaching students a variety of different tasks. We will be working with all kinds of methods of construction. We will be teaching students how to safely operate and move about a construction site. We'll also be working in rough carpentry. We'll be getting hands-on experience with the finished level. We'll be teaching students how to not only frame, but also to square and finish and pour concrete. The goal is to try to put our hands on every step and every phase of construction that students will encounter. After completion of this program, students will be equipped with the skills necessary to gain employment, to earn a fair wage in the ever-growing industry of construction in this region. So if you're excited about construction and this sounds like something that is right for you, please reach out to LBW Community College and ask about the building construction program.